Today we're going from solo camping to family troll hunting. We're tracking down the Thomas Dambo Trolls, and it all starts right here.
That's really cool.
Hi there, welcome to the episode. I'm Matt. I'm here with Natalie today, and we have Elvis the dog with. We're in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. We're going to check out some of the trolls in the area. We're going to start with Elixir here. Alexa's the first troll in the series. So there's a story that goes along with the trolls. This is Alexa's Elixir. It's a big wooden book. It tells some of the story. And it's a little bit of work to find the trolls. There's 5 trolls and then 3 mirrors, which we're going to find today. And then each troll gives part of the clues to find the last troll, the 6th troll, which is a golden rabbit. And so we'll use the information in the book and the information we find from each of the trolls to find the rabbit. Alright, I think we gotta go down this trail here. We gotta look for some birdhouses, and they will lead us the way. Well, that was Alexa. She's the first troll. And there's more giants out here though, and a greedy golden rabbit, and a mystery we have to solve using a secret troll alphabet.
There they are.
Oh yeah, up in the tree there on the left. I see them. But we're looking for Ronny Funny Face.
There he is.
Oh, there he is. That is so cool.
What do you think, buddy?
If you haven't heard of Thomas Dambo, he's the artist that created these sculptures or incredible giants. And in Detroit Lakes, he didn't just create the giants, he created a game with them. So we'll use the symbols from the giants and the secret decoder that was at Alexa and figure out where the golden rabbit's at. Each troll has a necklace that has a symbol on it and a number on it. And that'll help us figure out where the rabbit's at. Oh yeah, there's the birdhouses over there. So we're off to find Barefoot Frida. The guide says it's an outdoorsy type. She loves to build small yet fun challenges for her friends in nature. Once Frida found the perfect place, she carefully created a cozy path for the small people to enjoy. Her big wooden feet are harder than the soft human feet, but she discovered it did not matter. Everyone can walk a fun walk in bare feet and really feel nature. A mile walked in bare feet was her gift to Alexa's Elixir.
Here's the bare feet, buddy.
Necessarily know that this is the right trail. You might have been right back there when you wanted to go down the other trail.
That's right, I was right.
A rare thing has happened here. Let's see, let's mark the time. Oh, there's a birdhouse down there though. A purple one.
Yep, I was right.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, I was thinking that the trail was going to cross the river right here, but there's another birdhouse further on down. Trolls have been telling stories since the beginning of time, and Jacob had heard them all. He didn't have a lot of his own stories, but would just sit around the campfire and listen to the other trolls speak of things big or small. Over time, his ears grew bigger and bigger, so he could hear even the small human voices. Now he can listen to human stories too. He awaits patiently under a tree for the next humans to come by and tell him a story, big or small. His gift to Alexa's Elixir is the power of patience and listening. Jacob wants to hear your story. You can climb up there, you just have to stay off his head and feet. You wanna go sit up in Jacob?
No, I
Tell
won't
him your
ever
story.
get down again.
What?
No.
I'm gonna go sit up in Jacob.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell Jacob my secrets.
Okay. What was it?
Do you know what a secret is?
Yeah?
Then you don't get to know.
I thought we didn't have secrets.
This secret is between me and Jacob.
Oh, okay. How are you getting down?
The same way I got up.
Alright.
He wants to hear your story. We're in Perham, Minnesota now. This is where one of 3 of the mirrors are at from Alexis. Take a look. Oh yeah, there's her arm coming out of the mirror, putting up birdhouses. Hey, puppy. You waited in the car so good. Is he afraid of the Sasquatch?
Come here, buddy. Okay.
Ellie, I think we gotta go this way. There's some birdhouses there.
Where?
Right there. Oh, here's the birdhouses here. This is one tall troll.
Look at how tall he is, buddy. Let's stand here between his feet. Come here. Here. Turn around. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Look over there. Okay. There he is.
Ever since he was a small splinter, Leif loved his trees. He loved them so much he wanted to be one. So he would stay in the clearing and pretend to be a tree, feeling the sun, wind, snow, and rain on his face, swaying gently back and forth and growing taller and taller and taller. He only moves around springtime and autumn when he goes out and plants small trees in places where they can have a good life and grow nice and big. His gift to Alexa's Elixir is the new life in a small sapling. We're at Alexa's Mirror in Detroit Lakes now. Take a look here. There are birdhouses all around here, and there's the hand sticking out of the mirror. That's pretty neat. I don't know who comes up with these kind of ideas. This trail's a little more rugged.
Go when we're going up the hill. There.
If you tell them there's a squirrel at the top, they'll probably pull you right up to the top.
Squirrel, squirrel. Go get it.
Go find the squirrel.
Go get it.
Go, go, go.
Go get it. Go get it.
Go find the squirrel.
Yep, that worked. Let's go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
You can see the golden bunny. You see it through the trees there?
Yeah, a little bit. Alice, right here. Right here. Yep. Oh,
There it is.
It's huge.
There it is, the mischievous golden rabbit. Beware, traveler. The golden rabbit has been seen recently in this area. Ever hungry for more and always ready to persuade others to buy, use, and consume, he might just do the same to you. Alexa's Elixir should work against the golden rabbit, but she might need one last ingredient, a gift from you. Can you go the whole day without buying something new? Oh, this thing's neat. This one's different than the other ones. This one's all made out of plastic.
Yeah. It's huge.
Yeah, look at how big it is. The whiskers on the bunny, on the rabbit, and the teeth.
Oh, they're windshield wipers.
Yeah, they are.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Huh. Well, we found the golden rabbit.
Yes, we did.
Well, thanks for coming along with Natalie and I as we found the trolls. We really enjoyed having you come with. These are some pretty neat structures. You really have to see them in person, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. If you're in the Detroit Lakes area, you should really spend some time, take a look and find some of them. Even if you find one or two, they're worth it. We're on a big push for 300 subscribers right now. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please hit that subscribe button. Follow us along on some of the next adventures. Thanks.